Closing bell at the top and bottom line beats. Revenue of $24.32 billion, adjusted earnings per share $1.19. The automotive gross margins, though, at
another monster snow.
The Tesla stock is higher in the after-hours trade. Benchmarks closed the Wednesday trade mix. The Dow managed a 9-point gain. The S&P was down 1 point. The Nasdaq down 20, and the TSX of the Wednesday trade down 29 points. Oil at $80.58. Canadian dollar 74.65 cents. U.S. is the City News.
How can you minimize inflation risk? Step 1. Talk to a financial advisor. See why advice matters, now more than ever. Visit dynamic.ca/advice to learn more.
This could be the most adorable sound known to the human ear. This, not so much. But if you have this going on in your house, you need New Canadian Drain and Plumbing. You've seen the baby on the side of those trucks, right? That's New Canadian. So if you have problems with plumbing, or your drains aren't draining, or even if you have a leaky basement, call 416-652-3535 and talk to New Canadian Drain and Plumbing. Or visit newcanadiandrain.com.
Get a fresh start this year.
Grabe na naman.
With amazing savings on top brands.
Dami na namang
Save up to 15% on Bowflex.
kayod dito sa driveway mamaya.
On footwear and healthy eating favorites. Now until January 31st. Turn big purchases into small payments with interest-free easy pay on everything you need to reach your goals.
Here's what head coach Sheldon Keefe has to say about riding his hot goaltender.
He's tracking the puck well. He's reading the play well. All those sorts of things that don't necessarily show up on saves all the time, but just that he's ready and he's focused.
Both teams coming off wins on Monday. That game gets going just after 7 o'clock. 4 other games. Jalen Hurts, Joe Burrow, Patrick Mahomes, and Justin Jefferson. The IOC says it wants Russia to be evicted.
If you've got wildlife in your life, call in the team at SWAT Wildlife. For 15 years, they've been carefully and humanely removing critters and creatures from GTA homes and businesses. SWAT also performs wildlife-related roof repairs, demolition, attic cleanups, insulation top-ups, and more. With competitive pricing, written guarantees, and 5-year protection plans available. SWAT Wildlife. We serve and protect your home. Call on the team at swatwildlife.com.
No, your phone service must be adapted to your business and your workforce. Unite Communications provides a phone service that's flexible to work wherever your staff works on any device. Service without long-term contracts or dealing with faceless telecom companies. Contact Unite today to get your first 2 months free. At Unite, our business is connecting yours. Heralded by the Globe and Mail as one of Canada's fastest-growing companies. Visit unitetoday.ca.
Make sure that your business documents are for your recipient's eyes and no one else's. Trust Record Express.
Parkway.